Well, what are the best ways to get people to drop by and check out your website? Because you have a website, you have a capture page, you have a lot of cool stuff when you spend $60 and become an affiliate with Save Club. And I'll show you what it looks like in case you have not joined Save Club or have had a chance just to look at the back office. Okay, let me shrink myself down here. I'll be right here in the corner up here on the right. Now, I want you to go to both of these links. These are important because if you like what you see, I want you to do the same thing that I'm doing. And I almost have 100 people signed up already. It puts me in the top 10 of the company worldwide, and I'm very excited about that. And I know that you would be too. That's your end game, right? You want the touchdown, the field goal, the grand slam. So, officialsaveclub.com, Save Club funnels. They are two different links, and they get you to join Save Club or give you information, just two different ways. But at the end of the day, they get you or people maybe in your situation joining because you want to save money and make money too. Now, officialsaveclub.com, when you click that little bad boy, you will go to this page. And this is a page you're going to have if you pay the $60 to be an affiliate. You can put whatever name you want here. I just put Cory Draper. Most people, they're going to watch this video right here. It's 6 minutes. It is our CEO founder. His name's Charles Moy, and he'll tell you all about the opportunity. Normally, after the 6-minute video is done, you kind of know what you want to do. Maybe join, maybe not, or just sit on the fence for another week or two. Maybe you have to save some money, or just think about it, because it's very affordable to join. You know, $79 and 97 pennies. And you got one badass business, and you can spend a couple more bucks on some things like business cards or domain names. But to get into this, into the arena, into the boxing ring, so you can do some fighting, kick some butt, and make some money, it's going to take $60 to be an affiliate. Okay, and then $19.97, $79.97. I always like to talk about the money part. That way you're not shocked at the end of my video and I put some crazy number up and then you're disappointed after watching 5-10 minutes. What a letdown it is if you think it's too much or you can't afford it. So in the back of your mind, $80 right now. Go ahead and fill out this form. Click that little orange button and you can go ahead and open up your Save Club email and join if you'd like. Or for the next 30 days, you're going to get one email a day from this company, Save Club, to give you more information. Okay, that's it. And if you don't want the email anymore, just hit unsubscribe. Or if you want to join inside the email, click the link, get yourself a username and a password, and that way you can get into this website right here. This is the home page. When you go to saveclub.com and you log in, you're going to set up your username. And go ahead and go to this. Where is it at? Right there where it says My Earnings.'re going to go ahead and click and set up your bank if you're in America or cryptocurrency. You guys will work it out. If you have any questions, go to support@saveclub.com. Now, this is important. Training. Right there. This little video, it's like a minute. You don't watch it every time. You just look at this guy kind of doing something in his pants here, but you hit this little orange button, and right here you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like there's about 8 folders. And when you click any of them, what happens is it opens up a whole different page of pictures, banners you can put on any social media platform or website. And then we have a ton of video, short little videos, longer videos that you can either put on TikTok. TikTok likes the shorter videos. So does Instagram, it seems like. And then for Facebook, maybe some longer ones, but it's up to you. I'm a big fan of Facebook. That's my favorite. And I like doing YouTube videos, but eventually do all of it. You know, post a couple things that we've already made for you on TikTok and Instagram. Just get a really fun routine every day. Do the same thing. If you have to work, get your family fed and put to bed, and maybe you have to do some other things. But if you have an hour or two a day where you can spend creating content, posting things about Save Club, all you got to do is get people to click a link to watch a video, and that's it. In my opinion, once a person gets to the video part, done. It's so much information, and it's well done to where you don't have to do videos like I'm even doing right now. Let the videos do the training and the education, the recruiting for you. And if people don't want to do it, that's cool. Let them go on their way, just like yourself. And if they want to join, they'll come back. They'll bookmark or they'll email you. They'll do something. But you don't have to beg anybody to join Save Club, because it saves you money on things you're already going to buy. And I think it's real easy to talk about. You're not embarrassed. And a lot of people are really going to dig joining this thing. They'll thank you. So just remember, when you join, you're going to go to the training tab right there. Click that orange button and rest assured that you have a lot of video and content that you can use now. If you're shy, you don't want to create stuff, you don't even know how to create stuff, we're going to do it for you. And the reason why is all of us in our group that I'm in, we have years and years of experience. And we know that the number one thing that you're going to probably get bummed out about is you don't know what to post or what pictures, and you don't want to do video. So then you just kind of drift, and after a week or two or a month, you stop posting, and then maybe you'll save on things you're already buying, and that's awesome. But I want you to make money as an affiliate, especially now. There's only a couple thousand affiliates in the whole company. We're barely 3 days old. Today is June 3rd of 2025. We just kicked off Save Club officially on June number uno. So we're only 3 days old. So if you're watching me now, oh my God, I hope you really take this serious. Now, when you go through all of your back office and your tabs here, take your time. You're not going to break the website. Enter your email, make sure it's good. Go to the My Deals section right here. And this is where you can search around all over the planet. And remember, we just barely kicked off 3 days ago. We're going to have millions of deals worldwide. Yes, Malaysia. Yes, China. Yes, Fiji, Australia, Canada. Now, right now, obviously, we're an American-based company, so we have the most deals centered around America. But don't worry. Every week, every month, especially in the next 3 months, 6 months, and year, that's when the whole world is really going to enjoy this. We are like an online Groupon, Priceline, Orbitz, but we're worldwide, and there's an affiliate side. So all the influencers and the Kardashians and celebrities and sports figures, they get all the money now. But you know what? You can do it just by being an affiliate. 320s. You got $60? That's right. You can pretend you're a Kardashian and have some fun. But just go ahead and put in your zip code here, and it will show you local deals. I live in Salt Lake, so I put 84104 there. You can see tons of deals. You can spend hours and hours here on food, flight, Sirius XM, tires, mattresses. You can see rideshare. You can park at the airport. Look, okay, food, Pizza Hut, Wendy's. You might as well save. Why not? Even if it's $5. But see if you can save more than 20, because that's all it is a month. $20 minus 3 pennies, and you are a member. And you can save some cool dough. And I want you to earn money, though, as an affiliate. That is the end-all, be-all, guys. This is a really cool opportunity. It is brand new. And if you're watching my video around June 3rd, 2025, you're right in the beginning. Even if this is 3 or 6 months into my future, there's still going to be plenty of room. There's going to be millions and millions of people that are going to join this. And the deals are going to be even better and cheaper. And that means you need to join now, because only people can sign up underneath affiliates. And I'm an affiliate. So if you sign up with me, I want you to be a part of my Facebook group. And there's 2 nice invite-only Facebook pages where you can share information, techniques, how to market. Of course, we have tons of pictures and videos that you guys can use and upload until you figure out your own system. All right, take your time. You might want to do a video like I'm doing. Buy a webcam, talking to it. It ain't too painful. Even if I screw up or have a booger coming out my nose, or if I spill on my shirt, it don't matter. I just always promote my links properly, and it's all good from there. So why don't I do that? I'm going on 10 minutes right now. Where are my business cards? I go to Vistaprint. If you like these red cards, there's about 10,000 designs on vistaprint.com. These cards cost me about $22 for a big old box that'll last me a year or two, if not longer. But on a street level, I just hand them out. That way I don't have to talk like this to anybody. I just invite you to the links. Now, officialsaveclub.com, that is it's what you're going to have right there. This is called the Powerline capture page. And that's where you watch this video. Fill out your name there and relax. Now, I have a new funnel system. This thing has signed up probably 40, 50 people. Just having a good time. It's $25. People set it up in about 15 minutes by watching a how-to video hosted by my buddy Mike. And you can just figure it out. Do you like it or not? It's only going to cost you, let's see, let's rock at gmail.com. There we go, guys. Hit that little yellow button after you put in your email. This video right here is 20 minutes long. It has more detail than the original one here. And if you like the funnel, then use it. It's $25. You do not have to use it by any means. But if you think you're stuck and you can't get any more signups, you're pretty good at maybe inviting people to your link, this one here, but it's not converting into actual sales where people, join for the $79.97, then look into this. People will watch and they'll say, okay, I'm going to join Save Club. And if you've already joined, you can just get the funnel. Anyone can use this funnel. If you're signed up in another group or under someone else, don't worry about it. Get the funnel, hit that red little button, watch a little video just to make sure you want it. Click the button here and you can pay with Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. And the best part is, yes, you're going to be a part of our team. We have 2 websites. Like I said, they're just invite only. Come to Facebook, meet a lot of cool people worldwide, and you're going to have full access to all of our training. It's more training than what we provide just by joining the Save Club. And TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, the little ones called shorts or reels, or maybe longer videos. I like to do like 10-minute long videos, and in this case, 12 minutes. It looks like I'm at 12 minutes here in a second. So if you like what you see, let's do some biz. Let's have some fun. This is a cool opportunity. And you don't have to fake it to make it. You can just relax a little bit. You don't have to be embarrassed. Just invite people to your link. So, official Save Club, check it out. And please look into the funnel system too. I think you're going to like it. It's a darn good $25 value, that's for sure. All right, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll do the peace sign twice. Boy, I am wearing a lot of blue. Holy crap almighty. Okay. You guys take care. I'll see you soon.